Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Today I am going to be doing a spring cleaning on my master bedroom, and I have this list for you guys available in the description box if you want to print it out. And this video is going to be sponsored by Endust. I'm super excited to be working with them. I have found my new favorite cleaning product. So this is not like Pledge at all. Pledge is a polish. This is designed to pick up dust, and it also is a multi-surface spray, so it's kind of like several things in one, but it's easily mistaken for Pledge because of the packaging, but it's nothing like Pledge. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to take my duvet cover off and wash it. I did not wash my sheets, however that would be something you could add to the list if you wanted to, but mine were freshly washed, so I didn't want to wash them again just for this video. So I'm just going to take my duvet cover off and get it washing while I do the rest of my bedroom. So now I'm going to clean off my ceiling fan. I don't do anything fancy. I know there are lots of different hacks and ways to do this, but I just do it with a Swiffer. So I just sprayed a little bit of the Endust onto the Swiffer and dusted it. I found that it did a lot better of a job grabbing the dust this way. They recommend that you do spray it on the duster because it helps to add a little bit of shine to the furniture as well. Endust is a multi-surface spray that's kind of designed to help pick up and remove the dust, which it does a great job of. You can use it on all sorts of things. You can use it on the dashboard in your car. I've been using it on my refrigerator, my dishwasher, and my stove that are stainless steel, and it does a really good job of removing fingerprints and stuff, and then it leaves a beautiful shine. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video a close-up of my furniture when I was all done, and you will see how beautiful it is. And also you can find it at Walmart and several other retailers, but I put a link in the description box for you, and it's actually a little location finder where you can find it. You just punch in your zip code and it will tell you all of the local retailers that carry it in your area. I really like how it cleans and dusts because I have kid fingerprints all over my house, and it cleans oil-based stains and fingerprints and things like that. And it's also silicone free, and I think that's what makes it where it doesn't leave a residue. But I really love it, and like I said, it smells very good. I've been using it on my stainless steel appliances and on my granite countertops, which it says is totally safe to do. And like I said, the smell lingers, and you guys will just have to try it. But I'm gonna go and buy probably like 5 bottles of this when I am done here because I need to have it stocked up. It is going to be one of those cleaning items that I have in my cleaning pantry for the rest of my life. So now I'm going to do my windows and my blinds. I'm just taking that duster to get off all of the dust, and then I'm going to go and wash my windows, and then I did the blinds with that Endust stuff, and it just made them really clean and then shine really pretty. So I'm doing a microfiber cloth, and then I got me a little bowl of hot soapy water. I just used a drop of Dawn dish soap, and that's how I washed my windows. I just prefer to do it that way if I'm doing a deep clean. I have yet to find like an all natural Windex type thing. I do not like the Method one. So I just use regular Windex. You'll see me use that here in a minute. But when I want to go in and like really clean some glass, then I'll just use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and some hot water. So I washed my windows with that, and then I dusted them down, the blinds down with the little duster, and then I went in with my microfiber cloth and my Endust to go over the blinds and really clean them. So in the middle of all this, Kinsley was having a ball playing in the pillows, and she wanted me to come find her. So that's what I'm doing. I'm showing you her hiding. She was being so cute. It's so cute how the smallest things can entertain kids, but she was having a blast, and I loved hearing her giggle in the background while I was cleaning. I try to make that list super simple and doable for you guys, because I know that doing a really deep clean can be a daunting and overwhelming task. If I were to, say, be fixing to move out, or the furniture was out of this room, I would do things a little differently. There are, of course, things that you could add to that list or take away. If you have a mattress that needed to be rotated, you could rotate your mattress. You could do a lot of things, actually. You could shampoo the carpets and things like that, but I wanted it to be really doable and something that was simple. So I made that list with you guys in mind, myself too, let's be honest, because I'm lazy, but I wanted to get the basics of everything, but again, just without it being overwhelming. And before I forget, I know someone will ask what the color of the paint in my bedroom is, and it is called Quietude.
The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and
Oh, and I just thought of something while I was watching this back. If you guys wonder if this would replace my Method wood for good, absolutely. I do still love that. It's a really great product, but this is better, and I love the way it smells. So if you were curious, a comparison, I definitely give this one 2 thumbs up. So I'm using this new Purell multi-surface cleaner to do my doorknobs and light switches. I do have it linked for you guys in the description box because I am not quite sure where all it is available. I got mine at our Publix grocery store, but I know that that grocery store isn't everywhere. But thank you to my subscribers who sent me a picture of that and told me to pick it up. I love when you guys do that. I love trying new products and letting y'all know. So that was what I was using, and again, it is linked in the description box. So now I'm gonna go in and clean my baseboards. I didn't film me doing every single part, but what I did was basically clean the ones that are exposed. I did not go behind the furniture for obvious reasons, and just because, pretty much obvious reasons. I don't want to say because I'm lazy, because it would be really hard for me to get behind my big dresser and my bed and things like that. So I would clean those like if we were moving out or something like that. So they'll just have to wait. So I just cleaned what is exposed, and I used the rest of that Dawn dish soap and water with the rag. Now, I would most likely use Pine Sol and water any other time, but because I already had that, I just used that.
Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
So now I'm going to vacuum the floors. I'm going to use this vacuum for the majority of it, and then I'm going to get my Dyson out and vacuum underneath of my furniture. This one would not fit underneath, so that's what I did. I chose this vacuum. I know you guys probably have seen me use a different one upstairs, but this one was sent to me by a company and I got to keep it, so I might as well use it. It's a really nice vacuum, and I want it to do a little bit heavier duty of a clean, and my Dyson does a fine job, but this one does a little bit better. Of course, it's big and bulky, hence the reason I don't pull it out as often, but I was able to move the nightstands and vacuum behind them, and then I just did my Dyson underneath the big dressers.
Much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
I almost forgot to mention that I have a sweet little subscriber named Hannah. She's 10, and she sent us a card, and she had asked that I read it, or that I open it and read it on my YouTube channel. So that is what I'm going to do at the end. If you guys want to stay tuned to see that sweet card that she sent us and hear me read it, then you can do that. It was really cute. Thank you so much, Hannah.
'Cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
So now is the point I was talking about earlier, where I was going to show you up close on the furniture what it looks like after I use that Endust. It practically looks like glass. That stuff is amazing. Again, check the description box if you want to check it out, but you can probably find it at your local Walmart.
Just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
So at this point, my duvet was ready, so I'm going to be putting my comforter back in it and making my bed. Now, to be completely honest, I wish that I had some secret hack that I could show you guys on an easy way to put your duvet on, but no. That is why I pretty much had to cut this clip up a lot, because it took me a hot minute. I did finally get it. Some people might think it's a pain in the butt. Why would you do that? But duvets are just like none other. They are the most comfortable things, so they're totally worth a little extra work putting the down comforter in. But again, I'm sorry I don't have any special way. I just ended up turning it inside out, and then I laid the down comforter on and kind of rolled it back right side out, if that makes sense. I'm sorry guys, I wish I could help you there, but I can't. And my duvet cover is from Target. I found it online, not in store, and I got it about a year ago.
Yeah, I realized I'm in love.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gave you guys some motivation to get your spring cleaning in your master bedroom or even your kids' bedrooms. Don't forget, you can print that list out if you want, or you can pull it up and screenshot it, whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned after, because I'm going to be reading my card from Hannah.
The world seems so hollow. Without you by my side.
Okay guys, so I have a special card here from somebody. Her name is Hannah, and she sent this card to my P.O. box, and she has requested right here in the corner that I open this up on camera. So that is what I'm going to do. I have been saving this so I could open it here for you guys. This is what the card looks like. Hey Jessica and Madeline, I sent you both a card a while back and got a card back to me. It was so sweet. I love your cleaning channel. It is the best YouTube channel ever. Aww. Your mommy is a great mommy. If you could send me a card back of the kind of things you like, that would be great, and Kinsley's too. I love your cleaning videos and everything else too. P.S. I would love to see you open this card on YouTube. Well, that's what I'm doing. By the way, I am 10. Enjoy your day. My mom watches you some. Laughing out loud. And then she gave me her email and her address. She wrote, watch me clean Wednesday. I don't know if you guys can see that. And sorry for the messy handwriting. Keep calm and clean. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. And I'm going to show this to Madeline in a minute too. And we will send you a card back. So be looking for it.
Yeah, I realized I'm in love.